Good morning, students. I welcome you all to KTech High School and Junior College. Hope students you all are healthy and safe. So students, in our previous lecture, we have started with the second lesson of our unit, that was the worth of a fabric. So, in our previous class, we have started with the story, right, students? So, now let's do a quick recall of the story that we have completed in our previous class. So, let's start. Okay, so students, this story is based on a Tamil saint named Thiruvalluvar. Now, Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet, and as you can see in the picture, his book was called as Thirukural. Now, students, his book is greatly loved and respected even today. And Thiruvalluvar, he was a fabric weaver. Now, Thiruvalluvar was a fabric weaver and he used to sell different fabrics. And people, they used to say that Thiruvalluvar, he never got angry, which means that anger wasn't the part of his character or personality. Thiruvalluvar never lost his temper. Now, in that area only, which means in that village, one rich man used to live, and he used to waste his time just roaming outside with his friend and making fun of other people. So that rich man and his friend, they used to just roam around and make fun of all the people around them. Now, when this rich young man, when he heard that Thiruvalluvar never got angry or he never lost his temper, then he told that I don't believe whatever the people say about him. Now I am sure that I can make him angry. So now he is telling his friend that come with me. Today we will test Thiruvalluvar. On which he approached Thiruvalluvar. And he was in the market. Thiruvalluvar was selling fabrics. Over there, the rich young man, what he did? He approached Thiruvalluvar and he took one fabric and he asked Thiruvalluvar, what's the price of this fabric? On which Thiruvalluvar replied, 8 coins. Then he unfolded that fabric and tore it into 2 parts. And then he asked Thiruvalluvar, what's the price now? On which Thiruvalluvar replied, 4 coins. And he replied politely, on which the rich young man got angry because he wanted to make Thiruvalluvar angry, but instead he was calm and polite. Now, again, to test his patience, he tore the fabric into 2 more parts, as you all can see. And then he asked the price of it, on which Thiruvalluvar replied, 2 coins. Now the young man became impatient and agitated. Now, the meaning of agitated is irritated, to get frustrated. So now he was losing his temper because Thiruvalluvar was very calm and polite towards him. And this continued. He started to tear the pieces of fabric into half and half, and Thiruvalluvar started to cut down the price, that is the cost of the fabric. Now, when the fabric was remaining quite a small piece, and the rich man asked Thiruvalluvar that what's the price now? On which Thiruvalluvar said that this fabric has become worthless because no one can wear it now. It is worthless because it is not useful, so there is no worth or no price for this fabric. On which the rich young man told that I will give you 8 coins for worthless fabric. Now the young man was proud of his riches, so to show it, he told that I will pay 8 coins for this worthless fabric. On which Thiruvalluvar replied that I won't take this money. Now Thiruvalluvar, he was a very kind and saint person. For the first time, Thiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. Why? Because now Thiruvalluvar was telling that now this fabric is of no use. It became worthless because no one can wear it now. So as it has no use, so I cannot accept this price or cost of this fabric. Do you know the fabric was not made in a day? Many people have toiled to make it. The farmer who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months through sun and rain. He picked cotton from each ball and gave it for spinning. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Then all our hard work would have been rewarded. When you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. Now, see, Thiruvalluvar, what he is doing? That though the fabric seem just a normal or simple fabric, but many people have worked hard behind it in order to make that fabric look beautiful and attractive. But now you have destroyed the fabric, and you have also destroyed the hard work that each and every person have taken to make it. These words of Thiruvalluvar touched the young man's heart, and now he was really ashamed of himself. So Thiruvalluvar was quite kind, and these words touched his heart, and he was ashamed of what he has done. And do you know, Thiruvalluvar went on to say, I can weave another fabric like this, but our life is also like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed, and you will not get it back again. Now, over here, students, Thiruvalluvar is explaining the importance of life to the young man. He is telling that once the life is destroyed, no one can get it back again. So, as you have destroyed the fabric, Don't destroy your life with thoughtlessness or thoughtless action or hastiness. And these words opened the young man's eyes. There and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Hope students you all understood the story. Now I take a leave from you all. Bye bye and thank you.